Welcome to Pocket Woman Lockpicking and Lock Sport. Today is Lockout Tagout Lock Tuesday. Hashtag Lotto Lock Tuesday, the day we feature the locks that keep our workers safe. Today I've got for you a master lock. Now this one is that one right there, the 410 with the 410 keyway. Now this key's number is 100998F and it's a brand new one. I've got it here. There's our key. Pretty good highs and lows. And the 410 keyway. Dead cool, no spring, doesn't flick your key back, which means if you drop your tension wrench you won't lose your pins. Same as the shackle, dead shackle, no spring on it. Now I'm going to do this in the vise. Yeah, I don't usually pick in the vise, but today's one of those days where I need to pick in the vise. See, I haven't squeezed it too tight. Still right. Yep. Now I'm going to be using two wrenches, one for the tension and one for the bottom of the keyway, just to give me some protection of that binding the core and to also protect the plastic. We're using a commercial pick. I think this is the Euro hook style. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna push it all the way to the back. I have picked this a couple of times just before I've done this video, so I'm hoping my muscle memory will kick in and I can get this in a quick time. Got two little clicks, just little gentle pushes, not even a push, just little tickles, little nudges. I've been getting some coaching from Cherokee on how to do spools, how to go back and find them when you know what it means when this spool does that, and then you have to go back and find what, push on that spool again, or find a binder. Well, she says once you set a spool, we just got movement on the core then, so that's setting a spool that's going into a false set where there's a spool that's been in a chamber, so you got to go and find that, and the way you find that is little nudges just to see which one is the spool, and that was it. It's just pushed it up, so I've just gone boom into a further false set. So now I'm going to go back to the back, and because we know this is full of spools, so this is a back and forth, so I've now got to find the spool again, the one that's going to go up past the shear line after another one's put it into a false set. It's not even taking me out of my false sets, so that was, found another spool, dropped into a false set again, going back to number 1. Okay, that's taken me out of my false set again. Number 2's put me in it, so I'm going to go up to the back and find some others to play with. Number 6. Am I under it right? Number 5. And that's just, it doesn't really want to do anything, just wants to play with the core. So coming back along, number 3. Yep. Number 2, well, it's done something. That's taken me out of my false set. I can feel that because I've got a lot of pressure on my finger now from the tension wrench, like something's really binding. Let me go back to the back. Ooh, hit pin 6, just dropped me down into a false set again. So I found another spool. Number 5, no. Up to number 3. Back to number 2 and 1. Okay, number 2's taking me out of the false set. Is it number 1? No, number 1 has his tone. Number 2's dropped me down into the false set again. That's number 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, felt something there. Coming back. Okay, number 3. Number 2. Oh, false set again. 1 false set, 2 false set. 3's just false setted it. Come back again, give it another nudge. Trying to find the one that wants to give the open. Oh, big one on 3. That one just did it. Oh, yes. Excellent. Excellent. Oh, I've been trying so hard to pick a Lotto lock in this last week, and I haven't been able to do it. And this is the first time I've picked up the blue ones, the 410, so I'm pretty happy about that. There's me open. Excellent. Excellent. Ah, yes. Oh, Lotto Lock Tuesday. Check it out. Hashtag it. Lotto Lock Tuesday. You'll find all the videos that people post either on a Tuesday or other days, but hashtag Lock Tuesdays. So when we go looking for it on a Tuesday, we know we can find some. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.